If a candidate gives you cash before an election, that's bribery under Section 170 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. If a government puts the same cash into your account, that's a welfare scheme. Same money, same voter, same timing. Opposite results in law. और ये डिफरेंस जजेस ने नहीं बनाया, पार्लियामेंट ने खुद लिखा है. मैं आपको एग्जैक्ट प्रोविजन दिखाता हूँ. So section 170 of the BNS is bribery at elections. It covers giving or taking any gratification to make someone vote a certain way or to reward them for having voted. Giver and taker दोनों liable है. Now section 170 covers undue influence. Now, if you read the proviso to section 170, creation of public policy or a promise of public action is not bribery. That is the whole answer. Election promises by political parties are kept outside the offense by the statute itself. और एक बात नोटिस कीजिए, when Parliament replaced the Indian Penal Code with the BNS in 2023, it kept the line exactly as it was. अब देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश में क्या हो रहा है, जहां इलेक्शंस अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर में होने वाला है इन फरवरी 2027. देयर आर रिपोर्ट्स एंड आई विल बी केयरफुल हियर. दीज आर रिपोर्ट्स, नॉट एन ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट येट, that the state government is thinking about a 50,000 rupees transfer for women, with 20,000 reaching them before the election. And from the other side, Akhilesh Yadav announced in March that his government would give the poor women 40,000 rupees a year. His response to these reports was that the BJP has nothing left except money to win the elections. अब इस लाइन को एक सेकंड सोचिए. He is attacking the use of cash to win the elections while promising more cash to win the same election. This is what happened in 2017 elections as well. और मैं यहाँ कोई साइड नहीं ले रहा. That's exactly the point. दोनों एक ही काम करें. And both are doing something that the law clearly allows. तमिलनाडु में भी वही कहानी है. The outgoing government put 5,000 rupees into the accounts of 1 crore 31 lakh women 2 months before the polling. And the new government's first budget this month has over 1,000 crore for gold coins, gold rings and silk sarees as gifts. अब सोचिए, अगर एक कैंडिडेट आपको गोल्ड रिंग्स दे, that's a crime. अगर वही रिंग सरकारी खजाने से आए, that's a scheme. Now the courts. In S. Subramaniam Balaji versus the state of Tamil Nadu, 2013, the Supreme Court held that promising free color televisions was not a corrupt practice under the Section 123 of the Representation of People's Act. It's called a policy. But it did tell the Election Commission to frame guidelines on manifestos because no law covered this area. That ruling is now back before a 3-judge bench for reconsiderations. और इस साल चीफ जस्टिस सूर्यकांत के सामने काउंसिल ने एक लाइन कही जो याद रखने लायक है. ओनली द सन एंड द मून आर लेफ्ट टू बी प्रॉमिस्ड. बट लुक एट वेयर एवरीवन स्टैंड्स. द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज फाइल्ड एन एफिडेविट सेइंग इट विल नॉट रेगुलेट दिस बिकॉज इट इज अ पॉलिसी मैटर एंड डूइंग सो वुड गो बियॉन्ड इट्स पावर्स. The court has sent the case to a larger bench and hasn't decided yet. And Parliament has passed nothing. In fact, it wrote the same exception again in 2023. सबका जवाब एक ही है कि ये हमारा काम नहीं है. अब मेरी पोजीशन, और मैं सीधा कहूँगा, I think this needs a legal limit. Not because welfare is wrong. Articles 38, 39 and 41 place a duty on the state to look after people's economic well-being. That's an obligation, not a charity. But there is one problem that nobody is talking about. A candidate can spend only his own money, and even that is capped. A ruling party can spend yours, and there is no limit at all. और सबसे बड़ी बात, a sitting government can put the money in your account before polling day, and a opposition leader can only promise it. तो लॉ उन लोगों को रोक रहा है जिनके पास कम पावर है, और जिनके पास ज़्यादा पावर है ऑलरेडी उन्हें छोड़ रहा है. I would want 2 things at the very least. Every promise should come with a clear statement of what it will cost, and no new cash transfer once the election notification is out. I sincerely believe that the freebie announcements in an election year with no limit and no scrutiny is a problem that the law refuses to look at. Let me hear your thoughts on this. Thank you for watching.